Hey guys, welcome back to another Fishing with Danny video. Today we're doing a little fishing, Florida, unbagging, boxing, whatever you want to call it. This is my cousin Ariana, she's going to be helping me out.
Hi!
The first thing we have in this huge bag of baits is 3 Bass Pro Shop sets. Blue, hold it, red, and black. The black one, I might be giving away because I had this black one right here. These two are coming to the collection, so now I have black, white, red, and blue. That's all they had at the Bass Pro Shop I went to, was the black and blue and red. Okay, let's get into the real bait that we have, the best one of all. This is not a fishing lure, this is actually for my dog Jackson.
It's a dolphin.
Dolphin.
And I love dolphins.
Squeaky toy.
I swear, if he rips that up, my heart is going to be broken.
Hopefully he doesn't. Okay. First thing we have in the actual lures is we have Speed Shad. All white, pearl colored Speed Shad. 6 in here. They're all 3 inches each.
That's nice.
Yep. Let me tell you, you guys are going to be in a treat because we got a lot of... I'm going to pull out some of the baits actually and just put them on the thing so I can grab them.
So he didn't get any like real worms, but he got pretty good baits.
Let me tell you, every single bait at the... This out a little bit. Every single bait at that Bass Pro Shop is $5 or more. Don't put it too high so they don't see it. All of the baits. Yep. Come pull out this bag over here. I can just dump all
box
this.
of them.
Okay. There you saw the Speed Shad. Put them back in the bag. The next bait we have.
He's going.
I've already started using these because I went fishing today. Did not catch anything.
He didn't catch anything.
Yeah. I was using a saltwater fishing pole though, so. Right.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard
We
to.
are down here in Florida, so we don't have like. We didn't bring our fishing poles and everything.
First thing is we have a Bass Pro Shops little bundle of ribbon tail worms. We got, I think this, if you were to buy them separate, it would be $5 per thing, so it would have been $20, but we got for 6.
Okay, let's keep this video interesting and not just boring money stuff. Like, yeah, people want money and how much it is, but like, bro, get some interesting facts in here.
Some baits
I think I was here to make it interesting.
Some of the baits that I really wanted to try from Guggen Squad is we got the Lunker Logs, green pumpkin colored, right here. One of the baits I want to try from Guggen Squad. One of a lot. Next, we have 2 packages of PB&J cracking craw net rigs we have right here. We have the rattling knife, that's what it is. Okay, and right here, you want to hold that, you can hold that one up. We have 2 sets of the Bandito bug, you know, bug is a drug, you know what Yak Pack and all the Gudens say. This is green pumpkin, and what is that? That's summer craw. Fish colored.
Oh.
There, see? These are all, those are the 4-inch. Next bait we have right here is the Kraken Craw Guggen Squad bait. This is 4 inches as well. We got the green pumpkin color for this too. As you can tell, this is a lot of baits. Okay, we're gonna do a saltwater bait right now. We're gonna do, this is a saltwater bait that I wanted to get because it smelled really bad. See, even Ariana will smell it. See?
No. Oh, it smells like
stinks.
scallops, but worse than that.
It stinks, but it looks like a white fluke, so. Yeah, sorry about that, Ari. Alright, right here, we have, if you would have seen my one Instagram reel I posted, it was me catching a 4-pound, almost a 4-pound smallmouth bass at
the fishing thing?
Yeah, my fishing
like on
hole.
a fishing boat, we went there, and actually 2 people vomited. Now my dad's calling Josh, his brother, DL. Not gonna say what it stands for, but you got the idea.
Vomit loser.
Don't say it.
Alright, but here is the black and blue curly tail worms that I, even though they're not Berkeley, they're cheaper than Berkeley's. And there's a lot more in here. There's a ton in here. Okay, right here.
What the frick? Oh, sorry.
We have the trench hog. We got green pumpkin purple trench hogs, because I wanted to try these out, because I want to try Texas rigging. These, I'm pretty sure they're 6.5 inch. No, 6 inches actually. Green pumpkin purple trench hogs. We're going pretty fast. Okay, so the next bait we have right here.
What the heck is wrong with you? I'm Danny.
The next bait we have is the Slim Shake Worms Goon Squad. We have the nightclub color, I'm pretty sure. Nightclub did I pick? No, I picked natural Slim Shake Worms. This is nightclub. 10-inch Mondo worm. Nightclub. 10 inches, look at it, it's bigger than a head.
Hey, get the... It's probably
We got
bigger
a lot
than
of
Josh's
baits.
head.
We got a lot of baits. I think Ariana's favorite bait out of this was the dolphin, as you can see. So, I have a little, or if you haven't seen on my Instagram already, which is Fishing with Danny, I'm debating if I should sell this or if I should give it away in a giveaway, which basically explains itself, right? So go vote on my Instagram or comment down below if I should sell it.
Honestly, okay, I'm gonna make my
give it away.
decision now for you guys. So, I think you really should comment down below, and also I think you should give it away if you get decide how many likes you want. Maybe
Set a like
about,
goal.
set a like
Yeah,
amount.
set a like amount.
Yeah.
Tell them right now, what do you think they should get?
Let's say we're not gonna go too high, but how about 6,000?
6,000.
Let's try.
6,000.
Let's try to get this. Can you guys help Danny out here and me because I need some help, and this guy also.
I only have 83 subscribers. Where'd you get 6,000 from?
Okay. Anyways, try to get that amount, Danny.
I'm saying 100 likes.
No.
I only have
At least 130, okay?
You heard her. I don't know how that's gonna happen, but if I get 130 likes, I'll
If you
give
get
this
more
hat
than
away.
130 likes, maybe he actually might be giving something else out. You never know.
Another giveaway, huh? But what do you think is the coolest bait out of the actual baits in here, Arnie? We got a lot to choose from right here. We're gonna have Ariana's favorite baits picked out besides the dolphin and the hats. Alright, put those there. Pick a bait out and tell them why you think it's the coolest one.
Why not?
Pick a bait. There's a lot to choose from. Pick one they think is the coolest.
I think I like this one because they're blue, obviously my favorite color, and also they're very stretchy. I only felt the texture, and also I think since you did catch a big fish, that looked like that pretty much. Not like that big, but it kind of looked like that kind of bait. I think it was pretty good.
My favorite,
And go check out his video on the boat that he made.
that I am making. It's in the works right now. I'm started editing it.
The workshop.
Yeah, it's in the works. It's in my going through the editor.
Okay.
I think my most exciting thing is going to be that I want to fish with is going to be. I'll pull out a couple bits I'm really excited to fish with. Wait, hold the ones and just don't show them yet. Put them down. Okay, let's see this.
Oh, okay. I have 14 million of these. What the heck?
Okay, now hit me them one at a time.
Oh.
These are the baits that I really want to fish with. Say one at a time. We have the Rattling Neds. You have another one right here. We have 2 packs in the net. Rattling Neds. PB&J, already said it, but these ones are really big where we live. We're both dropping baits now. What the fuck's happening?
No, I pulled this thing and it fell. Anyways, so I think this one would be more. You would get more bait on that one.
I give you
Because it
another
looks
one right there. Grab
it
the other
looks
one.
like a fish.
Grab the other one. Yes, it is. The bandito bugs. You already know.
This
if you
thing,
watch Biggie
I
Games.
don't think the fish would be interested in this because, bro, this is like a 15-inch worm. Do you think they would have
It's 6.5 inches.
I don't know, Mr. Smart Brain over here. Anyways, I don't think they would notice any of those. Would you?
I'm gonna put these on a drop shot. You know what that is?
No.
Drop shot is where it's a weight, then a little bit higher up is a hook.
Oh, I know. Okay.
I made a
Anyways,
YouTube video. Go check it out.
But do
I'll
you
put
literally
little
think a
notification
fish?
thing somewhere up there.
Do you think a fish would literally see that big inch worm that little kid? Oh my God! It's a 7-inch worm. No, it would just eat the freaking thing. That would be more interesting.
Bandito bug.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the Lunker Log, which I've never used. I think it's like thicker than a Cinco, all the way through. It's 5 inches, which I could also cut down before, because 4 works a lot better by me. Right here, trench hogs, Texas rig, these ones. These are gonna be insane. Green pumpkin purple. The bats aren't gonna see those over by me. We have Nightclub, the Mondo worm. You guys already saw me with this thing. This thing is massive, 10-inch worms. Never use them. Excited. I'm gonna pull out all the things that are Texas rig that I bought. Texas rig, T-rig.
And also, guys, make sure you comment down below.
T-rig.
How many fish do you think Danny caught on the application? Oh yeah, let's find out. And maybe whoever guessed that amount gets a secret surprise.
Okay.
Who knows?
These are all the Texas rig baits I have that I bought. Mondo worm, we got the trench hog, and the bandito bug, and Lunker Log. Okay, so I'm rambling about all these things, but as you can tell, I'm excited to use them. Ariana made this video a lot more interesting with all these little side facts and like giveaways and stuff. So if you guys actually do want me to do a giveaway,
I'm freaking doing that. Sound like somebody, oh goody, ready to be Australian. Like, what the frick? Okay, anyways, let's get on with the video now.
Alright, is that the introduction?
Let's think. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, wow, I didn't know the moon was there. Okay, anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed that video.
Yes, if you did, like, subscribe, comment. If you guys hit that like goal, I will be giving away the best pro hat.
I'm sorry, but don't just subscribe. Smash that subscribe button as hard as you can. Because we are going to try to get 130 likes.
For me to give away the Bass Pro hat, but it's a new one.
You need to get at least more, because that is not even in Buffalo anymore.
Yep. At least I haven't seen them. So if they got restocked somehow, shipment or something, let me know. Alright, see you guys later. Thank you for watching.
Peace out.